Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about split column. And I have a table about the products, and I just want to look into one column. So I right click on this column and I remove other column. So this the M language is table.select columns and followed by this. So next thing is I'm going to right click here, choose split column by number of characters, and I'm going to put 2. Click OK. So I'm going to cross this last step. So the main focus is about learning how to what is happening in the M language, right? So we're using the splitter.split text by positions, right, together with the table.split column. So what is this about? So if you check the Microsoft Doc, it has this. It has the positions, it has start and end. What does that mean? So we'll talk about that. So see, there is the 2 characters in all the product code. I'm gonna split that, and because it's split from the left, right, so it is set to false. So it only takes the first 2. Next thing is that if I change to true and I enter, now this is different, right? It takes the 2 character from the right. See, this every 2 character from the right. So that is essentially the meaning of true and false right here. So that's using splitter dot split text by positions. Now next one is I'm going to right click split column by number of characters, and here I change to 3, and I use repeatedly. What does that mean is that it split every 3 characters. See, every 3 characters, if it's noun, it put a noun there. Every 3 characters are remaining put on the 3rd column or maybe the 4th column. And to do that, it has to use a different M language, which is splitter dot split text by repeated length. Splitter split text by repeated length. Okay, and that is the 3 type of splitters function we have here. And thanks for watching.